Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about modal verbs, will and would. We will explore when and how to use them, and most importantly, what sets them apart. Stay with me until the end of this video and find the answers to these questions. We will also have a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Let's get started. Will and would. While these modal verbs can express similar ideas, they can also have different meanings. Will is used to talk about the future, based on our beliefs, to make promises and express spontaneous decisions. For example, I think I will go to the cinema tomorrow. I promise you, I will do the dishes after I finish playing games. This dress looks lovely and it has a discount. I will buy it. If I talk about the past, the verb will changes to the verb would. For example, I thought I would go to the cinema, but I didn't. She promised her she would do the dishes. She told him that this dress looked lovely and it had a discount. She thought she would buy it. In these examples, will changes to would, but the meaning of the sentences remains the same. The key difference is the shift in time from future to past. But what about other situations? I think I will go to the party tomorrow. I thought I would go to the party tomorrow. These sentences are not the same. First sentence shows a spontaneous decision. The second one is not about being spontaneous. It is a hypothetical option to consider whether to go or not. We use will you or would you to ask something. For example, will you help me with my homework? Would you help me with my homework? In the first sentence, I'm asking about the future and I'm expecting to hear the answer yes. In the second sentence, I'm asking in a polite way to help me. I don't know the answer. I just wonder, can I rely on this help or not? We use will in conditionals to talk about the present or the future. And this present or future is real for me. For example, if I find a better apartment to rent, I will move out. This future is real for me and I use will. We use would in conditionals to talk about the situations in the future which are less likely to happen. I imagine these situations. For example, if I lived in a big house with a garden, I would have a lot of flowers in it. If I were more sporty, I would climb Everest. These situations are not real. I imagine them and I use would. Have a look at some more examples. If I have enough money, I will buy a car. It is more likely that in the nearest future I can afford this car. If I had enough money, I would buy a car. In this example, I don't have money for a car, but I'm dreaming and imagining that it would be nice to buy a car if I had enough money. Additionally, there are certain fixed expressions where would is always used and will cannot replace it. Would you mind? Would you mind passing me the salt? I can't use will you mind, it's always would. Would you mind? The second one, would you like? Would you like a cup of tea? I cannot use will you like, it's always would. Would you like? The third one, I would rather. I would rather drink coffee. I cannot use I will rather. No, it's always would. I would rather. In these cases, would is used to make polite requests, offers, or express preferences, while will isn't appropriate. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. And to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.